So this is my WordPress site. So we can drive traffic to one website to another page. Hence, I'll create my web page, but I'm focused by the anyone coming to this site can drive traffic to other website. In this, I'm selecting one more website for secondary. Select for breaking news, copy, go to your WordPress site. Option call is dashboard. In this dashboard, option call is appearance. In free website or premium, total dependent by the appearance option. In this appearance, select for menus. In this, click of for customize link. What is option call is? This will be breaking news. Add the URL. Now click for add to menu. So after adding this menu, I'll give this option is called the video submenu. You can change anywhere your option. The menu bar, your interest. Save menu. Now finally click to your home page. The videos previous only for 3 submenus. Now will be fourth one. Which one? Breaking news. Open your website. I can't upload video. I can direct upload by the another website URL. So any WordPress to changing the any URL to one website another website, we can't use any kind of plugins. Just using the existing WordPress appearance option. So any changes, you can change your menus. Is it clear? This is a very important on your particular WordPress site.